By the end of this video, you'll have a professional AI workspace running on your own machine, the exact setup I use on real enterprise projects. 90% of tutorials skip this part, and that's precisely why beginners get stuck on day 2. Not us. Let's build it. Quick hellos before we start. You've got 4 of us today.
I'm Olga. I'm basically you, brand new to this. If something's confusing, I'll stop and ask so you don't have to.
I'm Anastasia. When a new idea shows up, I'll explain it in plain language. No jargon walls.
And I'm Sophia. I'll give you the exact steps in the exact order so nothing breaks.
And I'll bring the why it matters in the real world, plus the live demo. All right, here's where we're headed. By the end of these 15 minutes, 4 things will be true. Python installed correctly, VS Code, a real editor, ready to go, a clean virtual environment, and your very first Git commit.
Okay, honest question. That already sounds like a lot for a beginner, is it?
It sounds like a lot. It takes about 10 minutes. And once it's done, you never do it again. That's the deal. A little care now buys you months of not being stuck.
And you'll actually understand each piece, not just copy commands. That's the difference between following a tutorial and knowing what you're doing.
Let me tell you the #1 reason people quit learning AI. It's not the math. It's not the algorithms. It's a broken setup on day 2, an error message that makes no sense, and no idea why.
That is exactly the thing I'm afraid of.
I know. I've watched it happen for 20 years on real teams. So we're going to remove that fear entirely. We fix the environment once, properly, and then it just works, quietly, in the background, forever.
Think of it like a kitchen. Before you cook anything impressive, you set up a clean counter and sharp knives. Skip that, and every meal is chaos. Setup is the clean counter.
Perfect. So let's set up our counter. 3 pieces.
3 things, that's it. Piece 1, Python, the language every AI script is written in. It's the engine.
Piece 2, VS Code, the editor. It's where you'll write your code, run it, and see your mistakes clearly so you can fix them.
And piece 3, a virtual environment, we'll call it a clean box. It keeps each project stuff separate so they never interfere with each other.
Wait, why would my projects interfere with each other?
Great question, and it's the one everyone skips. On real projects, one app needs version 1 of a tool, another app needs version 2. Without clean boxes, installing one breaks the other. I've seen whole teams lose a day to it. The clean box is how professionals avoid that from the start. So let's install these for real, switching to my screen. First, Python. Go to python.org, hit downloads, and grab the latest version for your system. I'll download it now.
Stop before you click install. See this checkbox at the bottom? Add Python to path? Check it.
This is the single most common setup mistake in the world, and it happens right here.
What does add to path even mean?
It just means let your computer find Python from anywhere. Without it, you type Python later, and the computer says, never heard of it, even though it's installed. One checkbox saves you that whole headache.
Installed. Now let's prove it. Opening a terminal. Python -- version, cup, and there it is, the version number. That line means Python is installed and your computer can find it. If you see that, you're winning.
And if I don't see it?
Then path wasn't checked. Rerun the installer, choose modify, and tick add to path. That fixes it 99% of the time.
Next, the editor. Head to code.visualstudio.com and download VS Code. It's free, and it's what a huge number of professionals actually use every day.
Once it's open, go to the extensions icon on the left. It looks like 4 little squares. Search for Python and install the official one from Microsoft.
This extension is what makes VS Code understand Python. Highlighting, error hints, running your code with one click. Now I'll create one folder for our whole season. I'll call it build-real-AI and open it in VS Code. This one folder grows into everything we build.
So everything lives in that one folder?
Everything. One home for the whole journey. Now the piece most beginners never learn, the clean box. Let me show the idea, then we'll make one.
Picture 2 sealed boxes. Project A has its own tools inside its box. Project B has its own tools in its box. They never reach into each other. That's a virtual environment. Isolation on purpose.
Let's build one. In the VS Code terminal, type python-m venv venv. That creates the box. Now activate it. On Windows, it's venv \scripts\activate. On Mac or Linux, it's source venv/bin/activate.
And here's the tell. Look at the start of the terminal line now. See that little in front? That's your signal. You're safely inside the clean box. Any tool you install now goes in this box and nowhere else.
So every time I start working, I just look for the venv?
Exactly. No schfuck. You're outside the box. Activate it first. Make that a habit.
Let's make the whole thing prove itself with a tiny first script. New file, hello_ai.py. A line to print a welcome message, and a line that imports a library and confirms it loaded. Now I run it. Run the file. Play button or Python hello_ai.py. Show the output in the terminal. And there's our output. That message printing means Python, the editor, and the environment are all working together, end to end.
That's honestly kind of exciting. It's small, but it worked.
That's the whole point. Most beginners never get past this moment, and you just did, on solid footing. One last habit, the one that quietly separates hobbyists from people who get hired. Everything we build goes into a Git repo.
What's a repo in plain terms?
A repo is a tracked history of your project. Every save point, called a commit, is a snapshot you can return to. And on a site like GitHub, it becomes something you can show people.
By the finale of this season, this repo is a complete deployed project you can hand to an employer. It starts right now with one commit.
In the terminal, git init to start tracking. Then one important line. Create a file called .gitignore and put venv in it, so we don't upload that big box. Then git add dot and git commit with a clear message.
And that's your first commit, the first brick of your portfolio. Beautiful. Let's lock in what you just did. Yeboko.
Python installed, hand on your path.
VS Code with the Python extension.
A virtual environment I can actually see, the little...
And a Git repo with your first commit. That right there is a professional AI workspace. You're set for the entire season. Next episode, we write real code. I'll teach you the only Python you actually need for AI, not a 6-month course. The 5 building blocks you'll use in every single AI script.
That's the one I've been waiting for.
If this got you set up without the usual pain, subscribe so the season stays in order for you. And drop your repo link in the comments. I read them, and I'll cheer you on.
See you in the next one, wizards.